Hiya everyone! Now this video is all about nature, and for the city boys out there, their best friend is money and their worst enemy is the lack of it. And at this moment in time we're having a bit of a recession, and there's people like Richard Branson with their lovely long hair, their little bums starting to twitch there, aren't they? And they're like going, ooh. Ooh, did I actually just sniff that, or did I think about sniffing it? Smash that dislike button. For the other people out there, just click on the image of the thumbs down. Smash that. Oh, that does me nothing. Smash that button. So yeah, they're little Aprils. They're like twitching there, and old Richard Branson with his long hair, he's going, oh, governments, bail me out, bail me out. But for the country grass chewing, country bumpkin smallholders, their best friend is nature, and their worst enemy is when nature starts playing up and goes a bit wrong. Let's get out on our bikes, and we'll see how much nature we can actually find. Now the place that we're going is one of our favourite places, and we've brought some crabbing nets as well. We could do a bit of crabbing.
All sacks are sweaty.
Oh, nice, James. Hopefully you didn't hear that, what he just said. We're not used to this. We're unfit. We need to get out more, don't we? We're going up a hill and we've had to stop. Oh, yeah. My ball sacks are sweaty and all.
Hey, you should look at me for saying that.
Hey, look at that.
It looks like he's wearing a wig. Do you see it?
Yeah, it's a toupee.
Don't wear a toupee.
And yeah, that reminds. It's like a President Trump toupee.
I don't wear a toupee. It's my hair. I swear.
Actually, that one's not as ill-fitting as his. Yeah, you keep munching. Let's get on. We've got to carry on. It's wonderful being out in nature. Look, there's some swans there. Let's get a closer look. Look at that. Beautiful blue skies. Nature's being kind to us today. It's lovely and mild. What do you think that D stands for there? No, it's not dunce, it's dapper. D for dapper. So let's cue the beautiful music again, and we'll take a look at a montage of nature. It's ridiculous. It's the middle of May and the frost is so harsh. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm going back to bed in a minute. I've just got up to film this amazing frost that we shouldn't be having. You can see we've tried our best to cover everything up, but we've lost plants. We've lost some plants, I know we have. The bloody broad beans, look. Even the fruit trees have struggled. Crazy. I'm going to have to curl up into the fetal position and cry.
What, like Richard Branston? Pull yourself together, you crying bunch.
So look at this weather now. Same day. This morning was frosty and now we've got nearly 20 degrees here. Crazy.
That brings us to the end of another video.
Thanks for watching. Remember, it can always be worse. You might have a haircut like Boris Johnson. See you later. Take care.